Welcome fellas into this new video Express. So if you have accidentally deleted your Google sites, or maybe you removed it months ago, you now needed to get this back, right? So let's say in previous tutorials I showed you how to delete an actual website, which is clicking directly into the website you no longer wanted to see. Inside your video editor, or in this case my website editor, I click into the arrow of the published element, which appears here directly into the right corner, upper right corner, and instead of clicking into the option that says published, click into the three dots that might be appearing in here, or the arrow, and go for the option that says unpublished. And there we go. The second option is to go back directly here into the G sites, three dots, and hit for removed, and go for removed trashed. So this is the part where you want to restore this from the G Drive trashed. Now, every Google site is stored as a file into your Google Drive for at least 30 days. That happens that when you delete your actual website, it says that this specific website will be moved to this drive trashed and deleted forever after 30 days. So if this file is shared, collaborators can still make a copy of it until permanently deleted, so go for the option that says move to trashed. So the most easiest way to restore your own site is not to head over directly here into G Sites, is to head over directly into your Google Drive with the same Google account you're going to be using. So here I'm going to focus for the left section. Directly here into the left section, let's go for trash, and here is actually my website. So what I need to do is to choose the option here, three dots, restore. Now that this one has not been correctly restored, I reload my page of my Google Sites, and my website is now appearing once more. So there's an actual second method. What if it has been more than 30 days? What if this website is no longer appears in here, and the Google Trash, for example, has now been automatically purged from your trash? You can use Google Workspace account for your work or school. Your administrator has an additional 25 days to recover it from you. So your administrator can go directly into the administrator console. You can find your user profile and select restored data. This is, for example, only if you are paying for the Google Workspace. Now this is not for everybody, because this might be paid versions, so you might want to take that in mind, right? So basically here, this is how we can actually make sure that my account is available or might not be available, so you want to be taking that in mind, right? So there's an actual bonus restoring in a specific page, because if you didn't want to delete the whole site but just a single page or some text, open your site editor. For example, you can click into the three dots and like this, and what you can do is to choose the version history like this. So if I go for my site editor, at the top right, I go for the version history. So you can see every change made directly into your account, whether this is from the first or the last website that you have generated. So you can find the version from before the page was deleted and clicked into the option that says restore this specific version, and this brings back everything exactly how it was on this specific date. So the lesson here, if you deleted something, you can exactly 1 month to change your mind before it gets complicated. Where you'll be able to get your site back, you'll let me know in the comments below what you think about this specific element. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Be really careful with all of the things that you download directly here into sites, and well, hopefully I can see you next time.